Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. And today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of my life as a personal chef. Join me as we embark on a culinary journey filled with passion, creativity, and a little bit of magic. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Now, we're in the heart of it all, my client's kitchen. Today's menu is tailored to my client's preferences, and I'm crafting dishes that will leave them amazed. First course is crispy, crunchy, flavorful hand-breaded coconut shrimp. Entree is a pan-seared filet mignon steak covered in zesty steak sauce, served with creamy garlic mashed potatoes and some pan-roasted asparagus. Dessert is going to be a double-layered chocolate cake.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh
There's nothing quite like seeing the smiles on my clients' faces when they taste the creation. The dining experience goes way beyond the flavors. It's about creating memories and moments of joy. It's incredibly rewarding.
empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
Thank you so much for joining me on this captivating culinary adventure. I hope you enjoyed experiencing the day in the life of a personal chef. If you want to learn more about the magic, of cooking and exploring mouth-watering recipes, stay tuned for more videos on this channel. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Until next time, guys, keep spreading love through food, stay passionate, stay creative, and let your culinary journey be a masterpiece. See you soon. Peace.